Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So I have a new review for you. I was actually sent this nail art powder from the Born Pretty store from Alice. As you may know, I do reviews for the Born Pretty store, so I did not purchase this powder myself, but I always give my honest opinions. I never want to steer you guys in the wrong way and tell you that I like a product when I don't. I'm not actually being paid for this opinion. I just got sent this to kind of do a review. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get into the video. So this is the Holographic Chameleon Unicorn Mermaid Powder Mirror Pigment. A super long name. I don't know why they're always super long names. But I have number 2. So I'm just going to open up. It comes in this little package here. And then inside, of course, you get your little makeup applicator and you get your powder. So, of course, I tried just a little bit of it to see what it was like, but I haven't really done much with it. So you always get them in these little like container things here. So this is kind of like a blue, kind of periwinkly kind of shade. I thought I would try a different shade. I haven't tried anything like this color before. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the review. Before we get into it, you can always use my code ALLEX31 to get 10% off at the Born Pretty store. So I will leave the link down below where you can find this product. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to open it up. I kind of took the film off already because they're always super hard to get off. So this is kind of what the powder looks like. So I'm going to do it on a bunch of different colors. I'm going to do some swatch 6. So I have black and white here. I have purple, and I'm actually going to try it on these nails. So I have no wipe top coats because that's usually what you use for these powders. They're never really sticky powders. So I'm going to try the black and the white one first, and I'm going to try it with this sponge thing, but usually I end up switching to my silicone applicator because I can't say I'm a fan of these. Which I probably will. Yeah, alright. We're going to switch to my Your Sugar silicone applicator. I prefer this way more than those. Maybe I didn't do a very good top coat on this. And then we're going to use my Born Pretty store nail art brush that I reviewed a little while ago with my mint powder. And then we're going to try it. Maybe I'll just wipe these. So I just kind of wiped it a little bit, so I'm just going to try it with my finger actually, and we're going to wipe it on. There we go. Now it's working. Alright, that one worked. So we're going to put a top coat on that and then we'll look at it after. I'm just going to wipe this with a lint-free wipe just to kind of make sure it's not sticky in any way. Should not be because I used a no wipe top coat. Alright, we're going to go back in with the silicone applicator. Maybe it's the silicone applicator. Let's see. Interesting. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and top coat both of these and I'll be back. Alright, so while that's curing, I'm actually gonna try it on this nail here. Let's see if I like it. probably. And I'm just gonna add top coat. Alright, so this is what it looks like on the black and white. It actually shows up really well on the black. You can see it actually turned to kind of a gold shade, which is interesting. You can't really see it a ton on the white. I might actually add another coat and see what it looks like that way. And then for this one, which is actually a color changing polish, it actually kind of looks kind of cool on the purple a little bit. It's kind of got a shift from gold to like the blue and kind of different that way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cure this one and we'll be back. Alright, so I actually really like it on this polish. It's not like super noticeable, but you can kind of see like a gold kind of holographic kind of shimmer if that focuses. I really like it, but I'm actually going to show you I'm going to use the other, I'm going to use, if I can talk, the makeup sponge on another nail because I'm going to do more. And we're gonna see if it works better on the actual nail, which I don't know. I'm thinking I'm liking my finger better for this. And then we're gonna try the silicone applicator again, which it does the same thing. It doesn't work well on the nail. Alright, so I actually really like it on this color. I end up doing all the nails. I prefer to use it with my finger. I didn't find it worked as well with the actual makeup sponge or my silicone applicator, which I usually use. But yeah, I really like it on this color. And then I did another coat of it on this swatch stick. It's still not showing 100% on the white. Maybe I have to kind of try it again. It's a little bit of trial error. It's very faint, but you can see it. But you can see it really, really well on the actual black. But it doesn't show the actual blue color on the black. But I do like this powder. I think I'll probably play around with it a little bit because I really want it to show up on the actual white. But then again, I'm loving it on this particular color. This is Madame Glam Polish California Love, by the way. But yeah, so that is all I have for you today. I hope you like this kind of rambling video a little bit. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching and please subscribe if you haven't already and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.